How to clear your mind and be happy. Are you feeling overwhelmed, stressed out, and stuck in a rut? If so, then it's time to take a break and clear your mind. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that, with simple tips and tricks that can help you feel happy and refreshed. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's start. 1. Watch your mind for 5 minutes. In order to clear your mind and be happy, it's important to take a few minutes to watch your thoughts and observe your mind. This can be done through deep breathing or meditation. Close your eyes, take a few long, deep breaths and feel your breath entering and leaving your body. This can help bring awareness to what is going on in your mind. Additionally, you can write down any thoughts that come up to help process them. Doing this can help you gain a better understanding of what is going on in your head and can lead to more clarity when it comes to making decisions and finding peace. 2. Meditate. Meditation is a great way to clear your mind and be happy. Research shows that it can help facilitate forgiveness, reduce rumination and negative emotions. Mind-clearing practices such as mindful breathing or meditation can help you become more relaxed and content on a consistent basis. To learn how to meditate, focus on the mind-body connection while paying attention to your breath as it goes in and out. During meditation, eliminate the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be causing stress. 3. Talk to a friend. Connecting with a friend can be a great way to clear your mind and be happy. Talking with someone you trust can provide the support and comfort you need to get through difficult times. Being able to express your feelings and experiences in a safe space is an important part of mental health and well-being. So reach out to someone you know, or join a support group if needed, and share your thoughts and feelings. You don't have to go it alone. 4. Go for a walk. Taking a walk is a great way to clear your mind and be happy. Going for a brisk walk or hike can help you feel more connected to your body and surroundings, boost your energy, and release endorphins, chemicals that make you feel good. Plus, it gives you the chance to take a break from everyday stresses and clear your head. Walking can also give you the opportunity to think about and process positive thoughts, allowing you to gain insight into any problems you may be facing. 5. Exercise. Exercising can be a great way to clear your mind and make you feel more positive. A brisk walk or 5 minutes of aerobic exercise can help to release endorphins, which are chemicals that improve your mood and reduce stress. Even if you don't want to do an intense workout, there are still ways to get your body moving. Try yoga, stretching, dancing, or even cleaning your house. Exercise is a great way to get those positive endorphins flowing, and you'll be happy that you did it afterwards. 6. Get involved with a project. Once you have a list of tasks, it's time to get involved in a project that you really care about. Working on something that is meaningful to you can be a great way to clear your mind and lift your spirits. Whether it's a creative endeavor, volunteering in your community, or something else, take the time to explore the possibilities and pick something that resonates with you. You'll be surprised at how much more energized and positive you'll feel after immersing yourself in an activity that you love. 7. Make a list of tasks. Making a list of tasks is a great way to get everything out of your head and onto paper. Prioritizing your to-do list can help you manage your tasks effectively and make sure you get everything done in the right order. Having a clear plan can help you stay focused and organized, so you can enjoy a happier, more productive life. 8. Write a diary or keep a blog. Writing a diary or keeping a blog can be an effective way to clear your mind and be happy. Keeping a diary or a blog is a great way to express yourself and get your thoughts and feelings out into the open. This can help you to release any stress, allowing you to think more clearly and objectively about your situation. When writing in your diary or blog, you don't have to limit yourself to just one topic. Feel free to write whatever comes to mind. You don't need to cross things out or censor yourself. Let your thoughts roam freely, and see where they take you. Additionally, Benjamin Franklin was known for writing down what he wanted to do each day in his diary. By setting goals and writing them down, you can increase the likelihood of achieving them. Whether it's a diary or a blog, writing can provide an outlet that can help you be happier in life. 9. Get organized. Decluttering, prioritizing, automating and outsourcing tasks, and balancing your daily activities can help you stay organized and improve productivity. Taking control of your emotions is also important, as it will help you make the best of every opportunity. To successfully get organized and remain focused, create a routine and make a list of tasks. Writing down what you need to accomplish will help you stay organized. Doing this lets you empty your thoughts on paper, freeing up space in your mind for more productive thoughts. 10. Let go and practice mindfulness. Through regular mindfulness practice, we can become better at letting go of our thoughts and feelings. By being aware of our own experience, and by bringing an attitude of kindness and curiosity to it, we can learn to accept ourselves for who we are and to acknowledge our thoughts without judgment. This can help us to cope with difficult emotions in a more positive way and to develop an overall sense of contentment and well-being. When we let go of the need to control our thoughts and feelings, we can begin to find peace. Stay positive and believe in yourself.